From rich cream to frozen delight, every step shapes the luxury of premium ice cream.
Every premium ice cream begins in dairy farms where high-quality milk and cream originate. These farms follow
Automated milking systems collect milk under hygienic conditions. The process safeguards purity while increasing.
Fresh milk is instantly cooled to preserve flavor and prevent bacterial growth, maintaining low temperatures from the
Milk tankers are filled carefully to protect cream integrity. These insulated containers prevent tempers.
The milk must reach the facility quickly to maintain quality standards. Efficient transport minimizes exposure to heat.
Once at the plant, each batch is logged and tested before unloading. Quality checks ensure the milk meets strict
on Forex. Samples are taken to measure fat content, acidity, and microbial safety. Premium ice cream requires higher
Upon approval, the milk flows into receiving tanks. These tanks act as clean holding areas before further
filtration removes fine particles and ensures clarity. Though milk looks clean, maybe microscopic impurities can appear.
Centrifugal separators divide milk into cream and skim components. Premium ice cream requires
This rich cream carries the smoothness and mouthfeel associated with luxury ice creams. Its viscosity indicates high fat content. Temperature control preserves the cream's natural flavor. Warmth can destabilize fats, but cool temperatures. Sugar arrives in bulk silos and travels to the mixing area through sealed pneumatic lines. This automation prevents
stations and emulsifier, stabilizers and emulsifiers enhance texture and prevent ice crystal formation. Their function is subtle but essential.
Automated weighers deliver precise ingredient portions. Even minor deviations can alter flavor or stability.
Premium vanilla bases often begin with real vanilla beans. Their aroma and natural specs elevate the final product.
Rich caramel is cooked in temperature-controlled kettles to achieve deep color and flavor.
Chocolate bases use fine cocoa powders or melted couverture chocolate. These premium.
The core mixture begins forming inside giant stainless steel vats. Cream, milk, sugar, and stabilizers.
The finished base appears glossy and fluid. Its stability at this stage predicts the final product's quality. Splice. Pasteurization gently heats the mixture to eliminate harmful microorganisms. This heat treatment also helps dissolve sugars and
Temperature accuracy is vital. Excess heat can damage rich flavors, while insufficient heat compromises safety.
The base cools immediately after pasteurization to preserve its richness. Rapid cooling prevents.
After cooling, the mix enters aging tanks where it rests for several hours. This aging process allows stabilizers and proteins to hydrate fully.
Maintaining low temperatures during aging prevents premature crystallization. The mixture thickens subtly as
Technicians periodically measure thickness to confirm the mix has matured properly. Consistent viscosity ensures
Homogenization forces the mixture through microscopic openings under extreme pressure. This breaks down fat globules.
Uniform fat distribution supports stability and prevents separation. Homogenization enhances the richness and previousness.
Once homogenized, the base is stored briefly before freezing. Holding tanks maintain ideal. Continuous freezers chill the mix rapidly while scraping the tank walls to prevent ice buildup. This technique.
Scraper blades shave frozen mix from the walls, ensuring uniform texture. Rapid freezing creates tiny.
The mix emerges as a soft, silky ice cream with a rich texture. It is not yet fully frozen, allowing easy.
Air is introduced in exact proportions to achieve the desired overrun. Premium ice creams typically contain less air.
The incorporation of air lightens the mix without compromising density. The balance between volume.
Premium ice cream features complex flavors created by adding sauces and purees. Chocolate, caramel, and fruit.
Chocolate ribbons are introduced in a thin, continuous stream. The swirl pattern adds visual appeal and rich bursts of flavor.
Caramel is added at a precise temperature to maintain viscosity. Too warm and it dissolves. Too cool and
Premium varieties often include solid mix-ins like brownie bites or cookie dough. These inclusions must maintain their shape.
Soft dough chunks are introduced carefully so they distribute evenly throughout the ice cream.
Chocolate chips are added in controlled quantities to prevent overloading. They remain firm due to the low temperature of the ice cream. Their presence adds a satisfying crunch.
gentle auger mixers fold the inclusions without crushing them. This maintains texture integrity and visual appeal.
The final mixture displays a perfect blend of creamy base, ribbons, and inclusions. Each element remains suspended.
Containers arrive sterilized and ready for filling. Premium ice cream requires precise placement.
The filling nozzles dispense carefully to maintain the structure of swirls and inclusions. The temperature must remain low.
Laser sensors confirm that each container has the correct amount. Precise fill levels maintain fairness. A finishing blade smooths the top surface for a neat appearance. Excess product is trimmed gently to avoid disturbing swirl.
Once filled and leveled, the tubs head for hardening freezers. Proper timing between filling and freezing preserves strains. The ice cream enters a blast freezer where temperatures drop rapidly to lock its structure. This
Vortex. Inside the spiral freezer, cold air circulates at high velocity to freeze the product evenly. Each
rapid freezing stabilizes inclusions and swirl patterns. Without this step, caramel ribbons would sink and brownie pieces might
As the tubs exit the freezer, temperature must remain low to prevent melting.
Alignment systems position each tub so lids can be applied precisely. This standardization ensures flawless sealing downstream.
Robotic systems lower lids onto tubs with perfect torque and positioning. This automation guarantees a tight. Some premium ice cream varieties include induction liners beneath their lids. These liners create an airtight, tamper-evident
frizzets. After sealing, the tubs cool so the seal can harden. This prevents peeling or lifting during storage.
The labeling rollers apply pressure gently to avoid air pockets. Even small imperfections could affect shelf appearance.
Barcode validation ensures every tub is correctly labeled and traceable. This digital tracking supports. Batch coding provides transparency for production tracking. Each code identifies the exact time and line of manufacturing.
Inspectors confirm that printed dates are clear and correctly applied. Legible codes help retailers and consumers verify.
Premium ice cream often includes decorative sleeves to enhance presentation. These sleeves provide extra insulation and
process. The sleeve must fit perfectly to avoid shifting during transport. A tight fits branding and protects the container.
Bundling. Bundling organizes tubs into retail-ready groups. This grouping streamlines transportation and store stocking.
Shrink film envelopes the bundled tubs to form protective multi-packs. The film shields the containers from dirt and moisture. It ensures stability during shipment.
The heat tunnel tightens the film uniformly around the bundles. This creates a strong, compact pack able to withstand long.
Carton erectors build sturdy boxes rapidly from flat sheets. These boxes protect ice cream during warehouse handling. Robotic placement keeps products organized and evenly distributed. This reduces human labor and speeds up production. Balanced carton loading prevents tipping or crushing.
Tape sealers close cartons tightly, protecting them from external elements. Proper sealing ensures the boxes remain intact.
Cartons move toward automated palletizers that stack them in precise patterns. These stacked layers maximize stability.
Robots place cartons with exact alignment, ensuring each layer sits perfectly. Precision is particularly.
Stretch wrap secures pallets firmly, locking cartons in place. This protection guards against shifting during movement.
Frozen pallets of premium ice cream are moved into specialized storage freezers. These rooms maintain temperatures well below.
Warehouse racks are arranged for maximum airflow and stability. The frozen environment ensures the ice cream remains solid and retains its smooth consistency.
Each pallet is scanned into a digital inventory system. Barcode data links every unit to its batch and production time. When orders arrive, warehouse staff retrieve the required pallets using an automated system. This ensures each shipment matches.
Frozen loading bays protect the cold chain during transfer. Temperature consistency prevent melting or softening.
Dock levelers create an airtight bridge from warehouse to truck. This prevents warm air intrusion.
Pallets are loaded into refrigerated trucks capable of maintaining sub-zero conditions. These vehicles protect the product throughout its distance.
Pallets are locked in place to prevent movement during travel. Secure loading reduces the risk of damage or Once the truck is secured, a tamper-evident seal verifies shipment integrity. This seal ensures
These trucks carry the frozen cargo across cities and regions. Logistics teams coordinate routes for speed and stability.
Retailers maintain frozen receiving stations to preserve the cold chain.
Inquiries. The ice cream is transferred swiftly into store freezers. Limiting exposure time prevents temperature shock.
Presentation is the final step before consumer purchase. Attractive labeling and premium packaging stand out in the...
A customer's choice reflects the entire production chain, from farm to factory to retail.
Opening the tub reveals perfectly frozen ice cream, its swirl patterns intact from careful hardening.
Premium ice cream scoops effortlessly due to balanced fat content, controlled air incorporation, and tiny ice crystals. The vibrant inclusions and swirls are showcased beautifully in each scoop. Proper mixing and hardening kept them suspended equally through. The addition of toppings enhances the experience visually and flavor-wise. These finishing touches continue the premium.
Every bowl reflects expert craftsmanship and precision engineering. Behind its simplicity lies a culture.
Dozens of machines and systems work together seamlessly. Each stage, from mixing to freezing, plays a crucial role.
The complexity of the equipment reflects the sophistication of the final product. Precision controls guide temperature.
Cold chain mastery allows premium ice cream to stay perfectly textured. Maintaining low temperatures is essential.
This plant stands as the core of a vast distribution system. Its influence stretches across